Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to fix Alipay that is not working on 1688. And well, this is really simple. We're gonna go to 1688 application right here. We're gonna hold click and then we're gonna click right here, app info. Right here we're gonna clean the storage cache, the storage and cache. We're gonna click this button right here, clear storage and clear cache. Okay, once we're gonna do that, we're gonna click right here in 1688 app, and then we're gonna click right here after this add. We're gonna click in this button right here, and then we're gonna click this one right here, and here we gonna click this button, and here we're gonna see Alipay auction, and we're gonna click right here, and here you can see that is fixed. If this video was helpful, please comment and subscribe.